Scientists used to think that nuclear war would get us mainly via explosions, radioactive fallout, and electromagnetic pulse, but a nuclear winter could kill much more people if the US and Russia go at it. Black smoke could smother Earth for years and ruin farming, so that most humans would starve to death. So, what makes so much smoke? Why does it spread around the globe? How can it stay up for years? And how does it impact food production? Here's the nuclear war between India and Pakistan, producing 47 megatons of black carbon smoke. The smoke isn't made by the nuclear explosions themselves, but by firestorms in large cities that have been ignited by nuclear airbursts like a campfire on steroids. A firestorm makes hot air and smoke rise up while sucking in cooler air from the sides. This creates storm-level winds, fanning the flames, igniting anything that can burn, melting glass and some metals, and turning asphalt into the flammable hot liquid. The Hiroshima bomb caused such a firestorm, and a large city like New Delhi, with over 1,000 times greater population, can create much more smoke in a firestorm, sending plumes up into the stratosphere, far above any rain clouds that would otherwise wash out the smoke. These simulations have also shown that the black smoke gets heated by sunlight, lofting it like a hot air balloon. For up to a decade, in the meantime, Earth gets freezing cold, even during the summer, with farmland from Kansas to the Ukraine cooling by about 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 degrees centigrade, and other regions cooling almost twice as much. A new science paper estimates that a US-Russia war would starve over 5 billion people to death, including around 99% of those in the US, Russia, Europe, and China. Let's see what such a US-Russia war with 150 megatons of black carbon smoke would look like from space from the direction of the sun. We see that the high-latitude jet streams are so fast that it takes only a few days for the smoke to spread across much of the northern hemisphere. Before you get too excited about moving to Australia, the spoiler alert is that the smoke will eventually get there too. We obviously don't know how many people will survive a nuclear war, but I'm confident that if it's even remotely as bad as many scientists think, then many survivors will view it not as a failure of individual politicians or countries, but of humanity itself, letting our children down. Like never before, please tell your friends about this video. I made it because the more people know about nuclear winter, the less likely it is that we'll create one.